Where is it? I can't see myself. It's just, maayos ka. Huwag mong basahin dito. Hello, everybody. Andito ako sa Dead Sea. Yes, it's Dead Sea. You see the people, they are floating. Okay. And on the other side, ganyan. So, everybody's invited. Late na kayo dito at tayo mag-swimming. Sarap. It's so hot in here. Not really hot. Diba? Sarap. So, Rega, I have to go there. Makiupo muna sa upuan. Ken. Speak na. Sino sama? Sino punta dito? Mag-swimming. Yan. Ganyan dapat. Shalom. I'm just showing my friends where I am now. Tapos. Say hi. Ah, okay. Sarap ng life day off. Grabe, taba is real. Takpan na lang yan.
It's very pleasant. It's not too hot.
Nakon?
Very nice.
Nakon? Nice weather. Not cold, not hot. Just perfect. And then sa kabala is Jordan. See that? Siyempre. At the back view. Ganun. Amore. Sana you're here. Diba? Sana you're here. Basa na oh. Basa. Yo. Basa. Lambot. Sarap. Yo. Maasin. I-imagine ko lang yung self ko dyan. Hindi ko makita eh. Sige na. Yara. Bayush people. At ako magpipicture muna.